Welcome to Vemans. Here's just a little thing I'm trying out. I finally got a headband for my GoPro, so I figured why not have some fun with it. So it's Friday and it's really rainy. Yesterday was really sunny, so I decided to give my car a nice little wash, because there's really nice car washes here. There's a Camaro, but it's been some time now. It's been a couple weeks now, almost. It's gonna be a month soon since I've had this. But how's it been? It's been good. You have high beams on. Turn them off. Turn them off. Turn them off. Jesus Christ. You don't need them for this rain. But this car's been really good for me. One thing I've noticed, I don't know if I've told you guys in one of the earlier videos, the two speakers don't work. Like, only the back ones work, but they're really good, I'll give you that. They make up for it, and it kind of makes it feel like once you're driving long enough and you have the system on long enough, it doesn't, you kind of forget that these speakers don't work, because yeah, you're already hooked onto the music, you don't really care. But yeah, also gas has been really pricey lately. It's been like $1.30 per liter, and I'm happy that I filled up, because one, these are efficient. These little 4-banger Civics are very efficient. 1.8 liter single overhead cam, inline 4. And yeah, also another reason I'm doing one of these is because I have a little bit of extra time on before I work, so I figured, yeah, I have some spare time.
Yeah, I've got time.
So yeah, I figured why not make one of these. So, as you guys know, I'm back here for good. I'm not taking a break anymore with the channel. Vemans is staying with its same name. Don't get me wrong, I liked Vemans Garage and Vemans Auto that came before, but I just found like, I think Vemans just stuck better with it, and it needed a whole redo. But yeah. So it's a rainy day in the town of Midi. If you don't know what Midi means, it's just Midland. It's kind of a little slang for it. But yeah, it looks like Canadian Tire is open over there, so we're gonna stop there. So let's just run that Jeep. That picture right there is pretty old. I think it's getting redoed soon, but for now I kind of like it like that. But yeah, it's a busy day today. It's only 10 after 1. Part source. I might stop there later as well. Car coming. Hurry. I'm a good driver, y'all. That's why I have a GoPro. Here's Canadian Tire. So yeah, it's $1.30 for gas. For diesel, it's $1.27. I don't think that's bad. I don't think that's good. A friend of mine owns a diesel. I'll have to ask him, because I don't know a whole lot about pricing. Yeah, only one van there. Pretty sure that Ford Edge right there was there too. Yeah. Also, one thing I like about going here is you see a variety of cars. I know that there's a modded up Civic Si 6th gen. Someone's got a C4 Corvette. Someone had a Mazda Jaguar here, and a Maserati, I think. Audi right there. Someone's got a Mini right there. Also, a little fun fact: I was supposed to get a Hyundai Accent like that, but I didn't, because it was kind of sketchy trying to get it. What's this guy doing? But yeah. So let's see if I can pull in here. Ooh, nice and easy. Easy does it. Frick, this is not a handicap spot. There we go. Tight fitment, but it's perfect. Alright. So if you might ask, is this a good first car? My answer would be, it can be. If you take care of these, the engine can take a beating. Any kind, really. There's a nice Civic. I keep seeing that one every day I come here. but you have to make sure that every car needs its maintenance. Every car needs, you know, its oil, its brakes, its gas, everything. So yes, I would recommend this as a first car because you're already going to be doing that. There's no guarantee. You're going to have to take it in. Gets good gas mileage. Right now I'm only at 7 bars, but I haven't filled up in like weeks now, and of course I barely drive, but it's always around town. I did one road trip which was about like maybe an hour and a half, there and back. I mean there, so that would have been like 3 hours back. But it's a good car. And of course it's Civic, so of course these things are pretty popular, they're pretty relevant. Of course, if you want to get a 4-door, go for it. This is a 4-door sedan right here. If you want to get the 2-door, go for it. SI, hey, why not? There's a lot of trim levels for this. Even a Mugen SI, you can get those too. I'm not sure where, they're kind of rare now, but it's possible. So, yeah. So I'm thinking about doing more of these, just because why not? I mean, like I said, I had free time before work. It's only 1:24, so yeah. It's always nice to take a drive on this, along these roads, because they're very open. You know where everything is. It's just a wonderful car overall. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of this, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell, because I will definitely be posting more of these. So until next time.